Samantha, right now, the numbers from the pandemic task force, the latest numbers show there are 217 people with COVID-19 in hospitals here in the St. Louis area. That's down from 247 yesterday. So local public health officials feel pretty upbeat about where we stand as far as the pandemic goes, but they'll say it'll just take a few travelers coming from those hot spots to St. Louis that could send our numbers higher. The new numbers just out today for the St. Louis region show that the number of hospitalized COVID patients in intensive care went down yesterday, as did the number of patients on ventilators. And 30 people were discharged from area hospitals. Situation here is in big contrast to the hot spots seeing spikes in cases in Texas, California, and Florida. But local health officials say our community can't let its guard down and think those hot spots would never impact us.
So we have this increased number of people that are infected. People are highly mobile too, and so they travel around the country. You know, they'll arrive in St. Louis from some of these areas as well. So my big worry is that we're starting to think that we're safe right now when we're not.
So you may think it's a broken record, but the advice of wearing a mask when you go out, when you're at the grocery store, at work, or wherever, use social distancing. It's a broken record, but really those are the steps that have kept the numbers down here and will continue to keep the numbers down here if we get visitors, and we probably will, from those hotspots. So those things will work and keep our numbers down. Today, I also talked with St. Louis County Executive Sam Page about the latest COVID-19 numbers, and I asked him, what is it that keeps you awake at night? You'll hear his answer coming up all noon on News 4 at 5. Live in the Central West End, Russell Kinsall, News 4.
Russell, we'll see.